In this episode, I will talk about the importance of quick response and how you build a system for that. Stay tuned. I'm Johan Mylad. I'm the founder and CEO of Lean Dimensions International. I want to talk a little bit about quick response. You know, back in the day when they set sail on boats like this, or probably much bigger than that, crossing the ocean, they sail for a day, they could aim for the stars. If there was a night where they could see the stars, they could then change their directions and so on. So they could go a lot of that, sideways type of sailing before they could respond to the problem and losses they had. Nowadays they have GPS or satellite tracking or something like that, so they will go more straight on. Take that thinking back into an operation system in a workplace somewhere. If you would try to correct to your deviations, your problems once a day, so let's say tomorrow morning it's too late, you can't catch up yesterday's losses, you need to react now, you need to be fast. There are systems for that, like day by the hour, performance control system, etc. All of them are meant to quickly respond to deviations and problems that you have, especially if it comes from the bottom up and let the operators drive it themselves. Like and share this. Send me an email. Let me help you to install your own performance control system in your business that meets your business needs. Thank you for listening.